First of all, using a blade, cut the head of the plastic rivets, holding the side cover left and right. They are set in. The position is indicated by the arrows. The compatible cartridge made in China may have screws instead of rivets. Make attention not to cut yourself. Using a flat screwdriver, remove the lower right end cover. In the same way, remove the left end cover. This will allow separation of the cartridge in two sections. Begin working in the drum section. Remove the other end cover. Slide the drum axle out just enough to allow the opposite end of the drum to be lifted out of position. Remove the drum. You can leave the drum axle inside the drum if you want to reuse it. Remove the charge roller, applying slight leverage to both holders with the screwdriver. Take the toner section and remove the black gear from the developer roller using a screwdriver's leverage. It's not necessary to remove the other gears. At the opposite end, remove the screw holding the contact end plate. Remove the contact end plate. Slide the developer roller out. Be particularly careful with the two plastic bushings at each end of the developer roller. They act as separators between drum and developer roller. Remove the fill plug. Clean the cartridge as well as possible using compressed air or a toner vacuum. For better cleaning, you may also remove the wiper blade. Remove its two screws and remove the wiper blade by prying it out. The wiper blade is probably reusable without problems. It's better not to breathe the toner dust. Make attention not to damage the recovery blade. It guides the toner that was wiped off the drum by the wiper blade into the waste toner chamber. Be careful not to loose these two springs. Clean the drum with isopropyl alcohol. It's possible to reuse it if not damaged. Make attention, the drum is really delicate and the light may damage it. Clean the charge roller with water or use a cleaning liquid. The purpose of the charge roller is to place a uniform electric charge over the drum surface. Dry completely the roller before reinstalling it. Clean the developer roller with a soft cloth and use isopropyl alcohol if needed to remove all traces of dirt from the surface. In all prior Samsung cartridge models, the developer roller is made of conductive urethane that touch the drum. In this case, the developer roller is made by an aluminum sleeve with two bushings at each end of the roller. The bushings separate the developer roller from the drum. The distance is about 0.14 millimeters. The developer roller is treated at a given rugosity and does not have any resistant coating. Clean the doctor blade. The doctor blade is made of stainless steel. The developer roller is metal too. And the metal-to-metal contact with toner is intermediate means severe wear of the surface of blade and roller and rapid decay of the print quality if a non-specific Samsung ML2160 toner is used. Reassemble the cartridge. Begin work on the toner section. Install the developer roller with the two red plastic bushings. On the other side, install the contact plate. Reinstall the screw. Reinstall the gear. Fill the cartridge with 55 grams of toner. Place the plug back and check for leaks. Lubricate the wiper blade with lubricating powder or toner and install a charge roller. Note the proper location of each saddle: the green end of the right saddle and the white end of the left saddle. Reinstall the drum in the cartridge, moving the metal shaft inside just enough to seat the drum properly. Now, take the drum section and place it on top of the developer section, as shown. Note the position of the two compression springs. Replace the chip, as shown in the video. The chip must be changed every time you refill the cartridge. Holding both sections together, place the end covers in place. The drum metal shaft has a slot that matches with the slot in the side cover. Redo the plastic rivets with an iron solder, or replace the rivets with screws, and the work is done.